bicycle stick? Are you serious? Yeah, dude. Be patient, dude. You gotta go fast.
Right next to a dumpster too.
Yeah, literally right next door to a dumpster. Go figure that out.
Actually, quite a few. Look, those two. There's another one somewhere. Oh, there it is.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's a varied part where there are multiple trash cans that you can actually use. But do they? No.
There we go. There he goes, yeah. There you go. That's good. Whoa. Oh gosh. Yeah. I can't believe they put these carts here. Oh, people are such a lazy.
A lot of trash over here. It's mainly a lot of wrappers and different things here. And a piece of sofa, I guess, part of a sofa. So, ultimately the lesson learned from this is you should always take that investment and responsibility to cleaning up after yourselves and as well as the environment. And this humanity cannot continue to prolong as this or harbor inside of the darkness of the world. So, and within ourselves, we need to bring out or surface the light by committing ourselves to a deeper or greater sense of like awareness or actions such as this. And this is absolutely insane out here. There's so much trash out here. It's just this one spot. This is our first place, and then we still got the rest of the other part of the town to do. I can't even imagine of how horrible shape it is down the way. So we're going to collect more footage, and hopefully this video ultimately inspires all of you to create a positive change. Oh look, yeah, great, yeah. Roll up your window, lady. Roll up your window so you don't listen to it.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be like nearly 100 degrees out.
Almost.
Oh. Still bringing the chair. Not even that bad of a chair.
What?
It's not even that bad of a chair. I wonder why somebody broke it. Or not broke it, but threw it out.
I'll help you. Hold on. Are you sure you got it? Jeez. Alright everyone, so this concludes for today's journey and today's chapter of life, and I hope that every one of you who ultimately watches this video, or for those of you to whom it may concern or in regards to, everyone could actually benefit a greater society for a world that we could live as a collectively, and for us to become greater inside the light as humanity, as within human nature, or as human beings, or as a common end game for our society. And our goals and aspirations are to obviously change the world. And if you see trash laying around, feel free to take the moment or investment of your time to pick it up and just simply throw it away into the trash. And basically, on our behalf, what we contribute ourselves and our passion of fire is recycling, grocery sacks, aluminum cans, plastic water bottles, helping adoption centers for pet as well as child adoption centers, homeless shelters, where we will be becoming much more involved into that collective, raising awareness in every possible given or provided chance that we could ever provide to the hands of the world. And we provide the gift as a light to the world as we project outwards into the universe, or in our Creator's eyes, for all that we could do or benefit ourselves and one another, as well as the entire encompassing of the world as in general. And everyone could actually make a positive impact, for a positive influence or difference, to share knowledge and share everything that is obviously positive. So with this being said, everyone has a choice in life. If you want to like drown yourselves and drown the rest of the world along with it, then that's your prerogative, that's your intention, that is your how should I say, what's a good word for it?
Their loss.
That is your decline. That is your basically committing suicide in a way. So everyone has an option in life to become greater as human beings, and we do not need to drown ourselves in darkness. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please share our channel, like I said earlier in the introduction. And this was also a project to allow ourselves to feel how the homeless might feel, or less fortunate, if you will. For they devote a lot of their time in a hot sun, or the winter freezing cold, and they pick up trash everywhere, and it's not right. You know, we should always try to perfect and better ourselves as best as possible, despite perfections is not possible. We're naturally sinners, but we could make a difference in the world if we should decide. So work hard in everything you do, have a passion for whatever you do in life, no matter what craft it is, and never stop getting better at whatever it is that you love to do. And be yourself. Always remain as your individual, and just